In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your LinkedIn account without a password. It might sound a bit tricky at first, but it's actually quite simple. All you need to do is follow these steps carefully, and you'll have your account deleted in no time. To get started, you'll need to open up a web browser on your computer. Head over to the official LinkedIn website by typing in linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll notice that to proceed, you'll need to sign into your account. However, without your current password, that's not possible. But don't worry, there's a way around it. First, click on the Forgot Password link. This begins the process of resetting your password and gaining access to your account again. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your LinkedIn account. Type in your email and then click on Reset Password. Shortly after, you should receive an email with a 6-digit verification code. If you're using Gmail, go to gmail.com to check your inbox for this verification email. Once you have the code, simply copy it and head back to the LinkedIn page. Paste the code and click Submit. Now that the verification code is entered, the next step involves setting a new password. Carefully choose a new password, enter it, and then retype it to confirm your choice. Once you're satisfied, click Submit. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your password. Click on Go to LinkedIn to access your account. With access to your account restored, we're ready to move on to deleting it. At the top of the LinkedIn page, you'll find an option labeled Me. Click on it, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This leads us to the section where we can make changes to your account preferences. Within the Account section, click on Account Preferences. Here, you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom, where you'll find the option to Close Account. Click on Close Account to move forward with the deletion process. You'll be asked to continue by choosing a reason for closing your account from a provided list. Select the reason that best matches your situation and then click Next. At this point, it's time to enter the new password you just created. Additionally, there's an option to unsubscribe from LinkedIn emails, which you can check if you'd like to stop receiving communications. Once you've confirmed everything, click on Done. And there you have it. That's how you can delete your LinkedIn account without needing your old password. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.